Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in bright white. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 18-inch tech gray aluminum wheels, lane departure warning plus, underbody skid plate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, cargo area liner by Mopar, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5779.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.